I am over here at 760 Blue Jay. So they are in the middle of a small transition where they are going from this color to this color. So here is the pool and spa area. And the condo that we are going to be listing is this direction. So right here you have a nice little kind of walking path, little meditation area. And so all of this is going to get a uplift from the HOA. They are doing new decks and painting. So it seems like there's about 2 buildings left. So when you enter, you have your master bedroom right here. Nice closets. They lock their closets because this is used as an Airbnb. So this one has its own little balcony up front. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 827 square foot. So all of the condos in this Boulder Bay complex are all the same. They are 2 bed, 2 bath, 827 square foot, except for one secret one that I know about. And they have upstairs units and downstairs units. So this is obviously an upstairs unit. And the bonus about getting an upstairs unit is the vaulted ceilings that you can see. Downstairs unit, you're gonna get a little bit of more noise as well as flat ceilings. So the owners here are making about $32,000 a year in rental income. It's nice and updated in the kitchen. The HOA fee is around $311 a month. Several of them in here are vacation rentals and do very, very well because you are right by the lake. So this is used as a guest bathroom or the bathroom linked to that bedroom. It's pretty much everything you need if you were coming up to Big Bear for a couple days. You do have upgraded Trex decking out here on the balcony. But again, all this green and taupe color is going to go away. And it's going to look like that navy blue and white that you see across the way. So great view of the pool area and the spa. And then just over here is going to be access over to Big Bear Lake, where you could get on some kayaks, go fishing, do any number of things. So this one is hitting the market, and it's going to be 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 827 square foot, coming on the market for $350,000.